Right now, we're seeing a notable uptick in global sentiment, plus 0.02, paired with a solid momentum score of plus 0.47. This isn't just noise, it's the highest momentum we've observed in the last month. You might want to dig into the 20 semantic clusters this data reveals. They provide nuanced insights into how specific topics are resonating worldwide. With our API, you get detailed sentiment analysis that pinpoints shifts in public opinion, helping you make informed decisions. For instance, if you're building a trading algorithm, understanding these sentiment spikes can give you an edge by anticipating market reactions to global events. Curious to explore it further? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.